Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my positional strategy concepts, how it is works on the month of May. We have almost many stocks triggers, more than 15 stocks in a put side and almost 5 to 7 stocks in a call side. That was triggers and it achieving the target what we are expecting. So you can use an hedging strategy also be a good beneficial one for some of the stocks like a PFC and REC, but it almost achieved our target. But after that, it came down. So as of now, so we have almost five stocks triggering our target based on our advanced option strategy concept, and also we are planning some stocks which we are going to focus for the monthly contract, like monthly 15 stocks which we are selected based on the concept. Some of the stocks were non-directional that was working good and well. Some of the stocks which triggers 2 days back today, and like UPL, Godrej Properties. So these are all the stocks which we are selected for the month of May for a non-directional one. So as of now, so the Voltas and Titan has got triggered, and some of the stocks like TVS Motor is now triggered, and Federal Bank. So Federal Bank also moved and it came down. So based on the non-directional, so from this list, Titan Voltas already moved and achieved our target. So we here on Titan, so 3580 call option, so almost 179. Sorry, it is a put option 179 to 318, almost 176 percentage. From our entry, more than 76 percentage, which is increased. So if you are doing an aging or any other strategies on that, maybe a non-directional or even a directional, that would be a great opportunity where you can make some trades. And that as of now, so 9 days is gone. So more than 40 percentage, some stocks increased, almost 18 stocks in a put side because of consecutive days down in a Nifty. And that was an more opportunities compared to the call. So we have a put options given you some opportunities like IDFC First Bank, and Canara Bank also be there in the list. But some of the stocks may be triggered by the gap up and it was opening higher. And mostly we find a lot of opportunities in a put side and call side. So in this month we find those how the hedging would be a benefitable one. So if you are looking at a PFC and REC, so here you can see 442.6 is our breakout point. Okay, so here the stock already achieved our target and then it came down. So let me check how it has moved. So 440 put option, PFC, 440 call option for the month of May. So here is our breakout point. So sorry, 36 na. So where is our breakout point? So exactly PFC 42.6, PFC 440 call option on a monthly position. 440 call option where it is given 42, so maybe at this point, and after that it went up to 53. So I think it may not be triggered our target, but if you are using an hedging strategy, that would be protected here. So I hope you understood what are the hedging strategy which you are going to learn on the session. So any one of the strategy which you can apply, but here it is giving you the better benefit on the day itself. After that, the next day it's a gap down. So to avoid the gap down, so we can easily use our hedging strategies that may be protected like 2.1 or 3.2 something. If you are used, that may be giving you such a good opportunity. Okay, and another one more stock which I find out the same thing which is happening, it's REC. Okay, I think it was triggered at the level REC 51045, REC 510, almost call option 45. So maybe 45 it can be triggered at this point, and it went up to almost nearby 65. That is also achieved our target. After this triggered our target, then it came down. So as of now, this one is a targeted rate, but it is not available on the sheet because it is already moved and it is came down. So whatever the current scenario, it is showing it. So in this case, also we have some stocks like a Dabur, Godrej, CP, Bharat Forge. It is 2 days back. It is a huge move, and Hindustan Unilever, that has also be working good. And as of now, more than 50% four stocks in a call set. Even though the worst scenario in the market is moving more than 2% down in last week. That wasn't. Then here put side, so we have already selected some stocks for a Titan and Voltas. Voltas also triggers our target, so 1470. Put option almost 116 to 192. That has also moved well. And some other stocks which we have seen, M&M and TVS Motors are not triggered. Some of the stocks which trigger like LIC Housing Finance. So Let me check LIC Housing Finance, what is happening. And hedging strategies, that was working good on this particular thing. So LIC Housing Finance, this is our daily time frame. So let me check. So here it is some good correction from that level, from the top levels, almost in the put side, nearby 675 put option. So let me check controller LIC. Yeah, so almost 10% is higher right now. So the exact strike price is 670, 49.5 is our breakout point. So LIC 670. Whereas the exact entry point 49.5. So when it is triggered 49.5, so almost the 6th May which is triggered, from 49 it went up to 58. So almost nearing to the target, but still it is in positive. Today also it is moving well, good. So maybe still it not reached our target, but at least 10% higher from our entry point. So maybe hedging purpose, that can be giving you such a good result. And these are all the stocks which we have updated on the beginning of the month. So before starting of the month, so from this list, we find some opportunity like ONGC. What's happening on ONGC? Whether it is triggered? ONGC, is there any? No. Yeah, ONGC also triggered is almost in the same entry point nearby. So what we done based on our concept, it is a monthly position. So as of now, if you are following our directional strategies like 2.1, 3.2 or future options or SBB, whatever the directional strategy. So almost 15 stocks would be there in the list. That may be giving you some good opportunity. So we are just planning to find out the 3 to 5 stocks in a monthly basis. So the month of May is almost over. So many stocks in the puts and calls also be triggered. So comparatively, calls is lesser than the put. And we have an opportunity like IDFC 82 put option. What is happening? IDFC 82 put option, where it is triggers your opportunity or not. So maybe in a 15 minutes time frame. So we will be finding whether the opportunity triggers our breakout point is 7 rupees, 6.7182. So it is about IDFC First Bank 82. 4.4 is our breakout point. So let me check whether it is a possible to trade or not. So let me track 4.4. Yeah, you can see this is what happening after 10:30. It is a fresh breakout that was happening 7 May. So we after 2 days later, so 4.4 can be triggered around 6.6, almost more than 50% or nearby 50% that can be reached, and that is also be a targeted one. And edging or whatever naked, so you may be trying to find some good opportunities on this scenario. And last 3 4 months we have seen many call side, but this month we have seen many put side in the beginning of the month, so almost giving you such a good result. I hope you understood and how to use based on our advanced option strategy concept. And some stocks weekly positional. So you are looking for a weekly. So I think one more concept which I'm going to tell you here on the PFC monthly positional. So why the weekly positional is very important. So monthly positional 440 call option of PFC where it is triggered, and then it went up to maximum 52 from 36. I think this is also be a targeted one. So let me calculate from that point almost 49 50% nearby 50. So more than 50, sorry, nearby 50, that's okay. So, but in this case, if it is not targeted, then so the next day, the next week, that means the week which is started from 6th to 10th. So only one day is left for this week. And here you can see the PFC 480 put option this time from 37 to almost 63. Whatever the, if you are planning that weekly, and REC also given you such a big opportunity in a put side because of that gap down. Okay, so if you are following combined weekly or monthly, whatever it may be, so it will be easily understood to find good opportunities in our positional one. So it is all this weekly and monthly sheets is based on our positional strategy concept. But if you want to use your this stocks which is in the top, I think LNT monthly positional also, that would be almost good. I think many stocks from Manapuram, maybe it's sometimes it's not liquid. GoForge, that was working good in our sheet. GoForge would be there. It's no. So maybe this from this list, I just easily find 3 to 4 stocks with quality and good liquid stocks. That is good enough. And weekly basis, so we have a lot of opportunities this week, and almost many stocks trigger, and Canara Bank 630 and HDFC, AMC, Ambuja Cement and PFC, and then I see in the RSC also, but it was an highly volatile right now. So REC 560, 45 to 52, and it moved and then it came down. Okay, so if you are looking at BPCL, Titan put side 3540 for almost 203 to 242. So that is a good move. So based on that, we planned, and based on some expected range of that particular So Navin Fluoride, Not Liquid, Cummins India Mobility, PEL, and IDFC First Bank would be there in the list. Okay, so IDFC First Bank almost there in the list, so maybe that already achieved our target. And any other zeal, what is happening on zeal? Based on our positional concept, is there any movement on zeal? So that is what moved down. So almost it is also be achieving our target, but it is not under our scanner. Let me check zeal. Put option 142. This I think it is not triggered yet. Okay, so no problem at all. So maybe if it is being triggers in future, we will be trying and in this in bank. Is there any opportunity on IndusInd Bank? This, sorry, that is the one more opportunity in IndusInd Bank. Yeah, I think that is also nearing to the target. So this filter is based on the profit percentage where we are expecting the stock can move. So that is also we find out only liquid stocks we need to select. So not for all the stocks. And another one more filter like UPL, LIC also is the third that has to Exide Industries, Kotak Bank, Eicher Motor, Voltas. So from this order also we can plan for an opportunity. And those we are filter for a 15 stocks for the based on that, our concept for the month of May, JSW Steel also will be there in the list. Let me check JSW Steel. What's happening here? That is also moves down. So whatever the thing which we have planned that was working for the month of May, almost those were following our strategies and tricks that would be helping you to make a positional strategy very easily with our Google Sheet or without our Google Sheet also. You know well about how to use a without a Google Sheet also. Those who are attending the class, the sheet which help you to find out the trade opportunities in real time very easily. But without the sheet also we can plan. So if you want to access the sheet for your intraday, so intraday R4 breakout level which is added into the sheet. So if you want to access this monthly and weekly, you can apply your own strategy. If you are not my advanced option strategy student, you can apply your own strategies, whatever the stock which is trading or which is coming in the top. So you can apply any of your own strategies also you can apply. And if you want to learn my positional strategy, you can directly ping me on my WhatsApp number to get more detail about the course, or if you want to know more, the website link will be available in description. Follow the link and you find out a good the recorded courses link on the website. So you can go through, and then if you want, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number. And is there any other questions to those people who are my advanced option strategy students? They may be very happy. So we have almost within a 10 days, we have got many stocks that got triggered our target. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you want to learn, just ping me on my WhatsApp. And any other questions, doubt also, you just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And thank you.